Hello. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. If you've never seen me before, I'm Coin Ring Maker from coinringmaker.com. Today, I'm going to be taking this 1992 proof silver quarter and making it into a very nice coin ring. First thing we got to do to make this quarter into a ring is punch a hole and making it into a very nice coin ring. First thing we got to do to make this quarter into a ring is punch a hole in it. So I'm going to prep this punch real quick. If you guys have any questions while I work, feel free to put them in the chat. And if you like to get yourself one of these coin rings, tap the little shopping bag at the bottom of the screen. If you just want to hang out and watch, I do encourage you to tap the screen a couple times. Let me know you like what I'm doing. And again, if you have any questions, please let me know. Let's punch a hole in this sucker. Beautiful. Now that we have successfully punched a hole in our silver quarter, we can clean up that inside edge right there. See, it's a little rough from where we punched a hole through it. I like to take a deburring tool and cut that smooth. So that's what we're going to do next. Again, if you're enjoying the live, tap the screen a couple times. If you want to check out what my finished work looks like, tap the little shopping area at the bottom of the screen. Thanks for watching. So these rings are made with 90% silver proof quarters. So these are uncirculated, perfect condition, and I make them into rings for you guys. If you'd like to get one, you can tap the little shopping area down here. If you have any questions, let me know. There we go. Now that's nice and smooth. I'm going to take some 4-0 steel wool and smooth it out just a little bit more. Then we're going to heat this up with some fire in a process called annealing. It's going to help soften up the metal and make it easier to fold and shape into a ring. Also makes it less brittle, so it's less likely to break as we start folding it. I'll give you guys a good look at it before we anneal it. Really, really pretty coin. Let's go. Again, if you have any questions, don't be shy. Feel free to put them in the chat. I've been making coin rings for about 5 years now. I'm pretty good at it. And if you'd like to get one, just tap that little shopping area at the bottom of the screen there. TikTok's got some pretty good coupons right now. Check and see if you got one. So now that we've got our coin annealed, we're going to head over here to my workhorse. This is my 1-ton arbor press. And we're going to use this to fold the coin a couple times. I'll place it in a doming block. Use a 3/4 inch Deburring ball. Give it a nice fold. Now it's kind of a cone shape. Then we'll get a 17-degree die. I like this one. There we go. Next, we're going to take it over here to the ring stretcher. Let's see. There we go. We're going to stretch it out a bit. Starting to look like a ring now. You can see the top edge up here is a little wider than the bottom edge. So what we're going to do is go back over here to the 1-ton arbor press and reduce that wider side so we get a better looking, more even band. It's looking pretty good. All right. So the next step is on the inside of the ring. You can see there's a raised lip of metal on the inside right there. We're going to cut that away. It's not very comfortable. I'm going to pop it in our deburring buddy here. I'm going to get that nice and cleaned up. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. If you'd like to get a coin ring, tap the little shopping area down here. There are some pretty good TikTok coupons that you can claim. If you'd like to get a ring and save a little bit of money, go take a look. Very nice. Very nice. So we're just going to clean it up a little bit. Some 4-0 steel wool. So look at it before. Looking pretty good. I like that S mint mark on there. It's supposed to be a size 8. We're really close. Reduce it down just a tad. Perfect. Now we get to polish it up. This is my favorite part. Make it nice and shiny. Looks really nice. Polish it up just a little bit more. Oh, a little sideways there, sorry. Look at how shiny that is now. Beautiful. Well, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the follow button so you can catch me next time I go live. If you'd like to get yourself one of these rings, check out my TikTok shop. And I hope you have a great evening. Catch you next time. Very pretty. Peace.